of real not understanding. Young children adapt very easily with technology. The third trend that you will see in the future of work is spontaneous collaboration. If the world is connected, if the world is going to be virtualized, we can easily form clusters for collaboration. We can create clusters of experts. So with the drivers in this part of the world getting younger, clusters of expertise will arise. What I want to do with you now, instead of talking too much, let me show you how a collaborative world could work together. So to do that, I'm going to invite one of my colleagues. He flew in from San Jose, California. We call him our Chief Demonstration Officer. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vice President Jim Grubb. Jim.
Hello, Wim.
How are you doing?
Very good, thank you.
Recovered from the jet lag?
I have indeed, thank
Great.
you.
So what are you going to show us? About
right.
Mobility, about
That's
spontaneous collaboration?
That's right.
Tell me.
We thought we'd show how some of the technology really helps to allow some of these new forms of work to happen that you're talking about. So we're going to start here with one of Cisco's new IP telephones. So this is a telephone that runs over the IP network. It's called our 9971. And this phone has a number of new capabilities, not just voice. It also has video capability. It has a camera built into it. It has USB ports so we can attach other devices. It has Bluetooth capability, so if you have a Bluetooth headset for your mobile, it will work with this phone. And it also has a memory card reader, so you can share pictures and other types of things with this phone. So we're going to show you...
Does it come in colors, Jim?
Actually, it comes in both black and white.
Okay.
Yes,
good
two
stuff.
colors. So we're going to show you using this device here. If I click on the All Calls button on the phone here, we can see our recent call history, so all the people that have called us lately. If I click on the voicemail button, I can actually pull up my voicemails, and this is visual voicemail, so we have the ability to see voicemails, and we can pick whichever voicemail we might want to listen to.
So I see one from Dr. Badr al-Badr.
I see one from our Cisco colleague, Badr al-Badr. Let's go ahead and play that message. I'll click on it.
Hi, Jim. While in Bahrain, it'd be great if you could get the views of someone there on how Cisco technology has helped Bahrain prepare for its future growth.
Okay, so he's asking us, he wanted to while we're here, to get some opinions on how technology will help us with future growth. And, you know, to do that, I'm going to call him back. But before I call him back, Wim, I thought that I'd make a quick video message from you using the new Cisco Flip camera. This is a high-definition camera, and it gives us the ability to record video, and then you can just plug this into your computer to be able to share that video, but I'm going to show you how I can actually share the video using the new Cisco phone. So I'm going to make a quick video here, Wim. I'll just press one button to turn this on, and then it's very easy to use. I just press one button to record, and we'll go ahead and record you. Why don't you go ahead and give Badr your comments, Wim?
Hey Badr, Wim Elfrink. I picked up your voicemail. So Badr, if you want to know more about collaboration, look at the video of this demonstration that Jim is going to give us.
All right, great. So we have this video. Now I press one button to stop recording, and then I'm going to go ahead and call Badr back by pressing the callback button here. And of course, this is a full video-capable phone, so we'll get video.
There he is.
There he is. Good morning.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
You're jet lagged.
Hey, we got your voicemail, and you know, I took some video with some comments that you might be interested in hearing.
Definitely.
All right. Well, let me go ahead and share that video with you. So I'm going to flip up the USB port and plug this into the phone.
So eventually that will also come wireless, I assume.
That's right. That's right. And then it'll take a moment. And we're getting a message here. Do we want to share the video? So I'm going to click on yes here to go ahead and share. And now we see the video clips that are available. We'll wait for that to come up here. And then I can choose the video clips right here. And I'll just choose this video clip. Why don't you go ahead and give Badr
You're a little bit shaky, Jim.
Yeah.
Badr, Wim Elfrink. I picked up your voicemail. So Badr, if you want to know more about collaboration, look at the video of this demonstration that Jim is going to give us.
All right, great. So we have this video. So you can see how we're able to share that video with the caller that we're speaking to. But thank you for your help with our demonstration today, Badr.
Thank you very much.
All right.
See you later tonight at the Solution Show, eh?
Thanks, bye.
Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and end this call. Now, if I want to share this video, we just showed you how we could share it with the phone, but we could also share this video online using one of our new business social networking capabilities. It's called Cisco Quad. So what I'm going to do here, Cisco Quad, and I'll show you that in a moment.
What does Quad mean?
Well, Quad, it refers to where you assemble together after class in college, for example.
Okay, that's where you socialize.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. And what I'm going to do is click on the Quad Publish button here, and this will now publish that video to my profile page. Now, Wim, you talked about clusters of experts.
There you go.
Well,
so you can virtually choose whoever you want around the world.
That's
just create that cluster.
Exactly. So what we're going to do now is step over to the PC, and we're going to take a look at Cisco Quad. So we'll go ahead and put this up on the screen so that we can share this with the audience. So this is a profile page. Now you can think of this as very similar to a Facebook or LinkedIn, any of these new public social networking profile pages, but this is for business.
So this is much more structured.
That's right.
It has processes around it.
Exactly. And if you want to find experts to work on a project in business, then you might go to a profile page like this. And you can see my presence information. I'm at my desk. We get a green presence light. We see my microblog. This is like a Twitter feed, for example. We also get my contact information, my interests. There's the video that I just published from the phone, and you can see that that video is now available on the page here. Here are my contacts. So using a profile page like this, we can begin to find experts that can come together to work on a project. Now, as an individual, I'm using Cisco Quad inside of Cisco, and I log into something called the My View page. And the My View page allows me to see all of the information that I need from the business social network in one place. So I can see all of the activities of any of my colleagues that I follow on the social network. I get my communities here. I get my messages. And the My View page is customizable by the individual. So, for example, I can move this little message widget here. I can move this around and arrange the page in the way that best fits my work style. And we have also tightly integrated our real-time communications capability, like voice and video and telepresence, with this business social networking. So, for example, if I want to play the message from Badr here,
while in Bahrain, it'd be great if
I have the ability.
We have this video, it's stored, it's all structured.
That's right, all on one page.
All on one page.
I have my my calendar, and my calendar shows me.
Yeah, what are you doing tomorrow?
Well, we're actually looking at today, and this is showing me the meetings that I'm in, and I have one button to click to start a Webex conference to be able to collaborate. I have access.
So there you go to that seamless collaboration, and you can set up anybody on the world in your cluster.
I can see the people that are scheduled to be in the meeting with me. I can also see documents. There's the agenda. There's documents that are going to be shared during the meeting that I'm in. So all of this is available to me on one page here. Now I'm going to go to a community page now. So community pages, you talked about people clustering together and coming together to work. Well, community pages give me an online place to come together and work on a project, or to share topics of interest to certain groups, like maybe this is the technical marketing community, and so I can see any announcements that are happening, a news feed, an event feed for the community, organizers, actions that we might want to do with the community. So we've just shown you a little bit of the Quad capability. I want to move on now to our new email technology that comes from Webex. It's called Webex Mail. And I'm going to take a look at my software as a service based inbox here, because we're taking some functionality from social networking and bringing it to email with this Webex
so what young
Mail.
people are used to work already with, social networking, Facebook, and we now include that in a business type of environment.
Exactly, exactly. So what we're seeing here in Webex Mail, in this sidebar over on the side, you can see the topic based on the mail message that's selected here. And these are all of the associated documents or other emails that are in this thread.
That's research done.
That's right.
You all have it together
That's
to
right.
be productive as at minute one.